Hello my guys, here this is your guy, the selfless strategic trader. Pew, pew, pew. Alright, it's still on the same strategy based on the next video, the next tutorial I'm going to release, and based on the one that I've released before. I'm just letting you know that the strategy works on any instrument. I've shown you on indices, and now this is currency. This is USD ZAR, South Africa rand, and you see that I'm already in profit. See my buy entry here and see price here. So I'm already in profit. This is not the only trade that I took for the day. I also took on Euro USD. I also took trade on Euro USD. See, I sold and it's already on profit. It's already on profit. You can see my sell entry here and you see price here. So it's already on profit. So stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to release a fresh strategy that will make you to be a profitable trader. And if you look very well, you see that it's a sniper entry. It's a sniper entry. You see it here. It's a sniper entry. So just stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and stay tuned. What makes a channel a successful channel is not the number of videos that are on the channel, it's the number of impact the channel has given to society, how impactful the channel is. This channel has been impactful so far so good. Many people are chatting me up on my WhatsApp and telling me how they've grown their accounts, this and that and other. So that is just it. Just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you will see the benefit of subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned, and when you start making your profit, making your money, remember me in your paradise. This sniper entry on Euro USD, and I also showed you trade on my USD ZAR on 1 hour time frame.